shrimp, stir fry, y'all. You know what time it is. Let's get it. So first thing we need to do, start on our marinade, which our marinade starts off with pepper jelly. Now you don't have to use this brand, just any brand that you have or you can get. Now we're using 3 tablespoons of that, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a tablespoon of fish sauce. And then we're gonna go and rain on them with a little bit of Tony Chachery. Now we're just doing that to taste. I added about 1 tablespoon. And then we're gonna give that a mix. Make sure it's blended really well. And we're gonna get our shrimp in. And we're just gonna massage those in. Get it covered over all the shrimp. And we're gonna let this sit for about an hour. And while we let that sit, let's go ahead and get our onions chopped. Our red bell pepper chopped. And of course that yellow one, y'all. Now to our wok, we're adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And she hot, y'all. She hot. And then we gonna go and get our onions in. Get that little short mix. Then we gonna get our bell peppers in, y'all. Get them in. Get that little mix. And we gonna go ahead and get the rest in. I had a few more to go in, y'all. A few more. Mix that on up. Stir. Gotta love a stir fry, y'all. Gotta love a stir fry. Oh yeah. You know what time it is now. Got to rain on with that salt. Now we ain't need no pepper because we got that pepper taste from that pepper jelly, y'all. Oh yeah. Yeah, we just cooking this down. And when everything is ready, we're just gonna pour in our marinade and our shrimp. Yes sir, this is looking good, y'all. Smelling good too. Oh yeah. Gotta love them shrimp, y'all. Gotta love them shrimp. Now right here at the end, we're hitting it with a little bit of lemon juice. Now I use 1 whole lemon. That's just gonna bring out that flavor. That lemon really brings out that flavor. Do not skip it, y'all. Do not skip it. You want that lemon in there. It just enhances and brightens up all those flavors. I'm telling you, y'all. Let's go and plate up. So yeah, this some vegetable rice, y'all. It's pretty good too. I have to show y'all next time we pick some up. But yeah, look at that plate, y'all. It's looking good, ain't it? Oh my goodness. Let's eat, y'all. Let's eat. So check it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hey, please hit that subscribe button right here. And hey, if you think about check out one of these other 2 videos that I already made. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.